Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to configure mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A40. So first, you must go to the settings, now connections, mobile hotspot and tethering, mobile hotspot. We can turn it on directly, but I will show you how to configure it first. So configure, and you can configure your network name, security, password, and also band. Band is quite important because you can choose between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 2.4 GHz is good for older devices. If you want to connect some kind of older phone to this hotspot, you need to use 2.4 GHz, and if you connect modern device, you can choose 5 GHz, which is faster. So now we can save it, and now we are able to turn the mobile hotspot from here by hotspot, or also we can turn it on from here. Now we are able to connect up to 10 devices, and all the devices will be listed down here. If you want to connect to this hotspot, you can use configured network name and password, or you can tap here and you can scan this QR code and you will be connected automatically. This is usable for the smartphone and so on. So guys, that's all. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Bye.